Hi friends, I have a quick tutorial to how to store your input data from client in VAPI. Lots of people face the problem of how to store data in format that we get use in the make.com. Here is a quick solution on how you can format your data and just reevaluate yourself. Here is a quick example I am showing in your screen. You can see that I take a data of date. You can use it as appointment booking or any meeting scheduling, everything you can do. So what we are doing this? There is a simple step of how data would collect. First, informing the person which format you want to data. You can want this DDD format, DDD month format, anything else. This I want this want to data in how format. Just kindly say in the format understand that 23rd September. Giving example of customer just make that and the customer says 14 August or 15 June. They can say anything, but they know that I have to say this format. And after that, we have to get the format. But we know to this how this is validated or not. What we do this, we just put it in a variable, just using some sort of programming knowledge in our and just storing in the variable. After that, we just formatted it in a format. Just we need 23rd September, but we also add year because we don't want the client say that 2024 15th September. He only said 23 September. We already have know that how to add date. We just clarify this add date. And next thing we can do is just validate these two validate to convert into process. After we that just convert it and just we have to reconfirm with the client. Do data we getting is right or wrong. After say that we validate into input, what we say that why just we just prompt it again and say just reply the customer consumer that do you actually say 15th September or not? If the client said yes, we'll go to further and just add in another variable, just got tool data, and just tool data we just send to the git our tools. Yes, you can show that there is a bunch of variable that required for it. And if we do is this step, we can just crack every information in that because we have a validating step where we have input, just formatting. Also, we just have to just have confirmation system that we have the correct data and just store the variable so we cannot forget in lower time and just store the variable and just we can say it. We can say that in last format we can say like this style function. Okay. Now friend, let we have a quick demo how it work. Let's see how it working. Let's have talk with my agent how it's responding to me.
Hello, this is Alex from Easy A Flow. How can I assist you today?
I want to book an appointment.
Great. I can help you with that. Please let me know which date you want to book the appointment for, and kindly say it in this format. For example, the 23rd of September.
I want to book in 15 August.
This will just take a sec.
You can see that we get that is exact format that we need. 15/08/2024. We that get exact date that we needed. It's you can see the how precise it that we need the proper formatting also. That we know I just format it like this. You can see that I just format in this step we just format it just like tool date you have to this format. And again this 15th it is I just example of 15 and you can see that I got 50 August and how this formatted, how nicely it formatted. It's how nicely it formatted and this just asks me you can say that how it can be efficient your business. Feel free to try it. If you have any problem just comment on me. I get the best way to just store a data. If any best option you have just write it and comment, help our community to grow up. Okay, bye for let's